Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram app not working. So let's get into it. Number 1, restart your phone or tablet. Always try restarting your phone or tablet first if you're having trouble with Instagram. Number 2, check internet connection. If restarting your device doesn't help, please try using Instagram both on Wi-Fi and on your mobile data connection to see if the problem is because of a weak Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Number 3, uninstall and reinstall. If restarting your device and checking your connection doesn't help, try deleting and reinstalling Instagram. From the home screen, tap and hold the Instagram app icon until it shakes. Tap uninstall on the app to delete it. Your photos and profile info will be saved by Instagram. Go to the Google Play Store, reinstall Instagram, and then log in with your username and password. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.